Just went to a taco stand, got myself horchata. A full horchata. This is about 24 ounces. So let's go ahead and set this up. I haven't turned it on yet. We're going to fill up to the line. Oh. I spilled a little bit. I spilled some gold. A little bit over the 24 ounce, all right? So let's start this machine. Let's cover it up. So we're going to do a slushy on this one, all right? We're going to come back in a couple minutes when it's ready for us. While it's still spinning, it's still good. Let's fill it up. So we're going to fill this cup up as much as we can now that it's full. So let's go ahead and do it. So look how slow it is, all right? But it's not what we're looking for. We're looking for like the taste. All right, look at this. Let's try this one out. It's a little heavier on this one. Let me bring it to you guys. All right, so on this one, if you ever had raspado, this is like 2 times better than raspado, to be honest with you. Raspado has a lot of pieces that are larger. You know, you need a spoon for this. You don't need a spoon for this. All right, let's put the other one to the test. Let's clean this one up, and let's use the Jamaica. All right, just added the Jamaica, same as the other one. Got it straight from the taco man. Now, Raspado man cannot imitate this one. To make Jamaica is a little hard because you gotta heat it up, the plant, you gotta remove it. Now in this case, I went straight to the taco man. They had it ready for me. It has no ice. We're a little bit above 24 ounces. So we're gonna start the process. All right, 2 minutes in and look at this. So it's ready to go. So let's start filling it up. So on this one, the slower pour, it's about the same as the other one, all right? So that's not bad. Now, let's try this. Round 2. Okay. This actually, between this one and the horchata, this was actually more slushy. It's easier to drink with the straw. The results, I'm very surprisingly, but it's really good. So if you guys see that slushy part, yeah. Oh man, this is incredible. Right, like I said, I went to the taco man, got my sope, my drink, straight to the slushy machine. This is a whole different way of enjoying your meals now. So